Hi, kindergarten. It's Miss McDaniel, and I'm going to teach you about our digraph of the week this week. And before we do that, I just want to remind you about what a digraph is. Now, we've been learning about digraphs for, I think, about 3 weeks now, so we're probably getting more comfortable with knowing that a digraph is two letters that make one sound. So do it with me, two letters that make one sound. So our digraph this week is a little bit different because it makes a completely different sound than either of the letters. So our digraph this week is the PH digraph. It makes the sound f, f, f. So what does that sound like to you? That's right, it sounds like the letter F, but it's not the letter F, it's the digraph PH. So just like in the example they have here, which is phone, it almost sounds like you're saying an F. So make that sound with me. Phone. So sometimes that can get a little bit confusing when we hear that sound and we almost want to use the letter F, but it's actually the PH digraph. So it's really, really important to know. We're going to go over a few examples together to see this used in real words. So phone, photo, photo, physician. So that's like a doctor, another word for a doctor. Physician. Almost sounds like an F, but it's a PH. Then, I like that this page actually has examples that are not in the beginning of the word. It's not the start of the word. It's either in the middle of the word or inside or at the end. So here we have the PH digraph as the ending sound. So this word is graph, graph. Then we have trophy. So here the digraph is on the inside of the word. Trophy. Dolphin. Dolphin. We also have the PH digraph on the inside of the word here. Elephant. Elephant. So it almost sounds like an F. It can be a little bit of a tricky one. But now we know that whenever you're reading a word and you see the PH letters next to each other, that is a digraph. So those two letters make one sound. Okay, so what I want you to do after you read this video is try and come up with at least 3 words and just jot them down on a piece of paper. Maybe it's scrap paper, or it can also be on the back side of your worksheet if you print that out. And I want you to write down 3 words that have the PH digraph inside of them. So it can either be the beginning sound of the word, it can be inside of the word, or it can be the ending sound of the word. And if you want to challenge yourself, try and think of one word that begins with the PH digraph, one word that has the PH digraph in the middle, and one word that has the PH digraph at the end. Okay, I look forward to seeing your work. And if you have any questions, make sure you reach out to your teacher.